Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you the benefits of chia seeds and their impact on human health when we consume chia seeds. So before starting the detailed video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Chia seeds are the edible seeds of the flowering plants known as Salvia hispanica, which basically belongs to the mint family. Chia seeds are oval in gray with black and white spots having a diameter around 2 mm. Seeds are hygroscopic in nature and it's absorbed up to 12 times their weight in liquid when they are soaked in water.
Chia seeds are indeed a nutritious addition to your daily diet, offering a variety of health benefits. Rich in nutrients, chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients. They're an excellent source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins like vitamin B and vitamin D, and minerals including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Weight management. Due to their high fiber content, chia seeds can help you feel full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can promote healthy digestion by preventing constipation and supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. They also help regulate blood pressure. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates and reducing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation. Hydration. Chia seeds can absorb many times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This property can help keep you hydrated during exercise or hot weather. Rich in antioxidants, chia seeds contain various antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of certain diseases. To incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet, you can add them to smoothies. Blend chia seeds into your morning smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. Mix with yogurt. Stir chia seeds into yogurt and let them soak overnight for a pudding-like consistency. Sprinkle on salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads for added crunch and nutrition. Baking. Use chia seeds as an egg substitute in baking recipes by mixing them with water. Make chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your choice of liquid, for example, almond milk, and sweetener to create a nutritious pudding. Remember to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to prevent digestive discomfort, as chia seeds can absorb a lot of liquid and expand in your stomach. Also, be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day when consuming chia seeds to aid in digestion.